for the passive house
Sure.
group right here.
Hello, my name is Arnold. I work for Bieber, and Bieber is a company with fourth generation, started in 1928. And here you have some of our products. You have this is our triple pane glass, and you can see this is 3 layers of wood that is laminated together. And you have the same here on the sash as well as on the frame. So we have different line of products. This line here and this line here is a 0.12, and then this one is 0.14. As you can see here, you have the cladding that is very narrow profile. So when you have a building for modern style, you really don't see too much of a frame. So it's really a nice state-of-the-art type window. This is all Bieber, and you can see right here that we have a foam that insulates the cladding. So that really helps to get this performance. Bieber also produce the tilt and turn function for all their windows, which is very easy. You open one way, and then you open the other way. So this is really cool features. We can put an alarm system on it. We can also do screens. We have fixed screens and retractable screens. So really that really helps the system to work. You can have a quick look here if you want, and then you can see it's a retractable screens. So the retractable screens goes all the way down and get locked in. So that really, this is the system. This is an outswing window, by the way, that we can produce as well. Bieber produce tilt and turn windows, doors, French doors, entry door, lift and slide, bifold doors. So that's all the Bieber's product. Do you have any question? No? Thank you very much.
Why the chain?
It's just, let me show you after. The chain is when you actually pull up, the chain, when it's up, the chain helps you to pull it down.
Okay.
So when you have a taller window, the chain helps you to pull it down. So that's really a nice way of being able to access to the screens, but keeping to the maximum height. So that's what it is. Thank you very much for your attention.
Well, thank you very much.
Yes, actually, we also offer bronze-clad windows, and you can see here a very nice piece of bronze-clad. As you can see, all our windows are welded at the corners on the bronze, as well as for the aluminum. So that's really a nice feature when you have when you are afraid of the durability of a product. This is a very good feature to have. And also we do another item very important actually. You have when you have a windows, this is concealed hinges. So you can see that the concealed hinges system, it's really all the hinges are inside the frame, so you don't even see them from inside or outside. It's the same thing on this unit as well. And we offer many different finish right here.
So I'm afraid we can't get into this. We have
Sure.
2 more people, but if
Here
there
we
are
go.
questions, please everybody come back
Sure.
tomorrow.
With pleasure.
A little later.